Are you looking for the best Sawhorse in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best Sawhorse that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the WORX clamping sawhorse pair with bar clamps. This highly rated Amazon's Choice sawhorses from WORX comes in a set of 2, which, together, have a 1,000 pound weight capacity. Their convenient detachable clamps make securing material a breeze, and they are fully foldable for transporting and then storing away. There are also built-in shelves and cord hooks for all your necessary tools and machinery. Although a little light duty for professional daily use, for DIYers and homeowners, these are ideal. I used it for a paint project and it worked well, one 5-star reviewer wrote. The clamps are a nice touch and, for the price, I found it more than met the need. I think I can now get rid of my homemade sawhorses that take up a lot of space. Up next in the 4th place is the Logosol Smart Holder Sawhorse Folding Wood Holder, specifically made for holding logs in place for sawing. The Logosol Smart Holder Folding Wood Sawhorse features a patented claw that bites into the wood, securing it in place. It can hold logs from 9 inches in diameter, can be assembled in a matter of seconds, and folds flat when it's time to store it away. My back starting causing issues from bending over to cut logs on the ground, explained one customer. This sawhorse is amazing, sturdy and not at all tippy. It holds a large variety of logs and it holds them tight. Excellent to use by yourself, and if you have a helper loading the logs, you can get an amazing amount of work done. The 3rd product on our list is the Bora Centipede 4x8 15 strut work stand and portable table. For a large job site, the multifunctional Bora Centipede sawhorse is ideal, with 4 clamps to keep materials in place and brackets to hold boards sized up to 4x8 feet. This product makes a large workstation and can hold an impressive 6,000 pounds of materials, machinery, and tools. No assembly is required, and it folds down compactly to fit in the included carry case. The Centipede works well as a panel cutting table or assembly table for large projects, wrote one buyer, with a 3/4 inches plywood sheet on top. The Centipede is a great portable work surface, sets up in seconds and is easily collapsed for storage. 2nd on our list is the Rockwell JawHorse Portable Material Support Station. Though it can handle a whole ton of clamping force, this all-steel portable sawhorse from Rockwell weighs just 43 pounds and has quick-release latches allowing it to fold down, and wheels to make it easily transportable. With a 97% positive rating, the JawHorse will see you through many projects from sawing to bicycle and furniture maintenance. And the handy clamp can hold a worktop in place too, so it can double up as a workstation, one happy customer reported. This unit provides a solid support for cutting, carving, and peeling of wood products, which is why it was purchased. It is also portable and easy to set up and take down. Finally, the top product on our list is the Bora All-Steel Folding Sawhorse, made entirely from a durable all-steel construction. This set of Bora Portamate folding sawhorses comes fully assembled so you can get to work straight out of the box. Combined, they can take an impressive 1,000 pounds of weight. Since there are 2 of them, you can comfortably put a worktop atop and use them as a workbench. One buyer who installs garage doors for a living wrote, "These are heavy-duty enough, while still keeping their weight relatively low. They fold up into fairly compact units for transport. I also like the bright orange color, much more difficult to leave behind in somebody's messy garage." Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.